Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In today's video you will find out how the price of IOTA has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, divergence and stochastic RSI are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the IOTA hourly time frame, the price went up by around 2.8% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 1.28. And the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 1.27, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 1.29 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is above the hourly ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 1.24. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Usually, when the price moves to the side, the ribbon is less reliable. On the lookout for divergences in the hourly time frame. Owing to the bearish divergence, the price has already gone down. Moving to the hourly stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is over the %D line, which means the current trend is to the upside. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could hold support, or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around 1.24. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is above the 3-hourly ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 1.02. The ribbon is spread out, so the support should be strong. Looking for divergence in the 3-hourly time frame, owing to the bearish divergence, the price has already gone down. Jumping to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are currently very low, which means that the price is oversold and a trend change, or at least some kind of consolidation, is to be expected. The K line is currently above the D line, which shows that the trend has shifted to the upside. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is above all of the simple moving averages, which looks bullish, and you should watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could remain stable, or the price will dip below it with the current price of around 61.8 cents. Jumping to the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is above the daily ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 55.1 cents. The ribbon is spread out, so the support should be strong. Nevertheless, seeing as THR price moved very quickly and it is situated very far over the ribbon, a pullback or for the price to remain the same for some time can be expected, before it shifts upwards. Looking at the daily stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are currently very high, which means that the price is overbought and a trend change, or at least consolidation for some time, is to be expected. The K line is below the D line, which shows that the trend has already shifted to the downside. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.